స్వరూపులారా,
Let me narrate to you one small instance. We were with Swami, and at that time, Swami had had some hip injury. Swami's shoulder was not moving very well. Swami was on the physical level in excruciating pain. And every time we will get an occasion, we will bow down to him, plead to him, and say, Swami, you have cured millions by your mere sankalpa. Swami, if you will, you can walk right now. Swami, why don't you cure yourself? Every day we will shed tears, wash his lotus feet with our tears, and plead to him and say, Swami, please cure yourself. Swami, we would like to see you walking again and not confined to this wheelchair. Why have you taken this upon yourself? And Swami would always smile and say, you know what, children? This body of Bhagwan has not come for itself. It is for the sake of devotees. You talk about my limbs not being fine. Do you understand the meaning of the limbs of Bhagwan? The Satya Sai Seva organizations are the limbs of Bhagwan. Till the time the Satya Sai Seva organizations are afflicted by power struggle, by jealousy, by egoism, by selfishness, how can Swami walk again? Till the very end, we kept pleading to Swami, and he kept promising that he will walk again. But maybe somewhere, as devotees of Swami, we also were not able to contemplate deep enough and set right Swami's body in the way that he wanted. But also let us understand that Swami said, Satya Sai Seva organizations and its various forums are my limbs. To be associated with Satya Sai Seva organizations is to be associated with Swami himself. That is Swami's own words. Let us never forget this particular aspect. Yes, Swami takes care of everyone. From beginning to end, if we understand how much Swami has taken care of us, I would say, even if for 100 lifetimes our skins were to made into his slippers, it is not sufficient. We have not been grateful enough. If for 100 lifetimes our skins were to be taken away for making slippers for the God who is so merciful, so benevolent, ever giving, never asking in return. To be associated with Satya Sai Seva organizations is to be associated with Swami's body itself. We are the cells of Swami's body if we associate. If we go away from Satya Sai Seva organizations, we live our own fate. Yes, Swami is always there with us, but we have made that choice, and that is why we will have to go through the trial and tribulations of going away from Swami's body. We must understand that Swami has laid for us a beautiful highway that takes us directly to him. When we take the flight from Delhi to Mumbai, we don't have to row the boats. We don't have to stop at traffic signals. We don't have to take a train journey. We directly fly in 1.5 hours from Bangalore to Mumbai. But if we want to travel by walk, that path is also available to us. Going away from Swami's organizations is like walking the path to him. Yes, then you have to cross all the trials and tribulations that will come your way. And for that, we ourselves will only be responsible.
My path, to teach my